Most farmhouse yards look staged instead of lived in, and the reason is almost always the same: too much stuff, not enough editing. In the next few minutes, you will get 10 simple farmhouse landscaping ideas that fix the balance from the front part to the back porch. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe Luxury Home Decor.
Number 1. Farmhouse front yard landscaping ideas. The front yard is the first sentence of your home's story. Make it readable. A clean gravel path, 2 matching shrubs flanking the steps, white flowers near the door, and a single warm wood accent, that's the whole formula. Skip the garden gnomes and the seasonal flag rotation. Realtors aren't being polite when they push curb appeal. 92% have told sellers to fix it before listing. The farmhouse front yard works because it knows when to stop. Number 2. Farmhouse backyard landscaping ideas. Before you sketch anything, watch how your family actually uses the backyard for a week. Where does the morning coffee happen? Where do the kids end up? Where does nobody ever go? Design around those answers. A patio anchors most farmhouse backyards, and not coincidentally, NAR pegs a new 18 by 16 foot concrete paver patio at 95% cost recovery. From there, build outward in zones, a fire pit corner, a few raised beds along the fence, soft lighting overhead. Lawn that nobody walks on is just maintenance you haven't admitted to yet. Number 3. Farmhouse garden path ideas. Paths are the punctuation marks of a yard. Gravel for casual movement. Stepping stones across a planted bed. Brick for the formal kitchen garden run. River rock where drainage matters more than looks. Each one tells visitors something different about where they're allowed to walk and how fast. Curves slow people down. Useful when you want guests to notice the hydrangeas. Straight lines move them. Useful for the trash bins. The trick most homeowners miss is that a path doesn't have to lead somewhere dramatic. It just has to lead somewhere. Number 4. Farmhouse flower bed ideas. Think of a flower bed the way a photographer thinks of a portrait. Foreground, middle, background. Tall in back, hydrangeas, hollyhocks, foxgloves. Medium in the middle, lavender, daisies, salvia. Short in front, alyssum, catmint, creeping thyme. That's it. That's the whole rule. The unsexy part that nobody Instagrams is mulch. University of Minnesota Extension recommends 2 to 4 inches, and they recommend it because it works. Moisture stays in, weeds stay out, and the bed keeps its shape between weekends you actually have time to garden. Number 5. Farmhouse porch landscaping ideas. A porch is not a storage unit. It's a room, one with no roof on 3 sides, and it deserves to be furnished like one. 2 matching planters at the steps. 1 rocking chair, or 2 if there's space. A lantern that actually gets lit at night. Hanging baskets only if you'll water them. Dead petunias don't say farmhouse, they say neglect. Leave a clear lane to the door. Repeat 2 materials, 3 at most. The porch where 98% of realtors think buyers are forming opinions deserves more thought than a pumpkin in October and nothing the rest of the year. Number 6. Farmhouse fence and border ideas. Pick the fence and you've picked half the yard's personality. A white picket reads classic Americana. Split rail leans country. Black metal goes modern farmhouse. Stone edging skips the fence question entirely and just defines the beds. Whatever you choose, treat it as a backdrop, not a finish line. Climbing roses on a picket. Hydrangeas behind the split rail. A row of boxwood softening the metal. The yards that look designed are usually the ones where the fence and the planting are working together, and the yards that look unfinished are usually the ones where the fence is just standing there alone. Number 7. Farmhouse planter and container ideas. Containers are the cheat code. Renting. Containers. Tiny yard. Containers. Bad soil. Containers. Can't commit to a permanent bed. Containers. Galvanized buckets, whiskey barrels, terracotta, vintage crates, even an old wheelbarrow with drainage holes drilled in, anything with a bottom and a hole works. Group them in odd numbers and at varying heights so they look collected instead of arranged. If you're growing lavender in a pot, Utah State Extension notes that spring repotting keeps it blooming well, which is the kind of small detail that separates a porch with plants from a porch with dying plants. Number 8. Farmhouse outdoor seating ideas. Seating is what changes a yard from something you mow to somewhere you live. A bench under a tree. 2 Adirondacks angled toward the sunset, not toward each other. A porch swing that creaks a little. A picnic table that's seen some birthdays. The 2023 INALP report measured 11 outdoor project types and every single one scored 9 or higher on the joy scale, meaning homeowners almost never regret outdoor upgrades, and the cheap ones, a bench, 2 chairs, deliver as much joy as the expensive ones. Pick the spot first, then the chair. Most people do it backwards. Number 9. Farmhouse lighting ideas. Daylight does the easy work. The interesting hours are after. String lights crisscrossed over a patio turn dinner into something. Lantern sconces by the door. Solar stakes along the path so nobody twists an ankle. A single uplight on a tree the neighbors have never noticed before. Keep the bulbs warm, anything cooler than 2700 K and the whole yard reads like a parking lot. Landscape lighting is the only outdoor project that scored a perfect 10 on the NARNALP joy scale. Number 10. Farmhouse DIY and budget landscaping ideas. Here's the secret nobody selling you patio sets wants you to know. Farmhouse style forgives imperfection better than almost any other aesthetic. That weathered board you were going to throw out? Sign material. The galvanized bucket from the garage? Planter. The chair with the chipped paint? Feature, not flaw. The pile of stones from when you dug out the stump? Edging. What you actually need to spend money on is the boring stuff. Clean bed edges, healthy plants, a path that doesn't turn to mud. NAR reports standard lawn care recovers 217% of its cost, $415 in, $900 recovered. Spend on basics. Improvise the rest. Number 11. Common farmhouse landscaping mistakes. Too many signs. Live laugh garden. Too many colors fighting each other. Too many planters at different heights with no relationship. A pallet wall that started as charming and ended as splintery. A sunflower section visible from space. The pattern under all of these is the same, adding faster than editing. NAR reports landscape maintenance recovers 104% of its cost. Basic mulching, mowing, pruning, swapping in seasonal perennials. National Association of Realtors, 2. Plain upkeep beats decoration almost every time. The yards that photograph best aren't the ones with the most stuff in them. They're the ones where someone clearly knew when to stop. Number 12. Best plants and materials for farmhouse landscaping. Pick plants the way you'd pick ingredients for a stew, each one earning its spot. Lavender brings the scent, hydrangea the softness, boxwood the structure. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage earn their spot by being useful in the kitchen, and ornamental grasses add the movement that keeps a yard from feeling static. For materials, stay in the same family of textures. Gravel, natural stone, reclaimed wood, terracotta, galvanized metal, woven wicker. Mix more than 3 and the yard starts to look like a catalogue photo where every product had to make an appearance. A note on lavender if you're planning around it. Full sun, well-drained soil, USDA zones 5 through 10 cover most of the country. Outside those conditions, pick something else and don't fight it.